Today we're making this pretty red and white beaded crochet shell bracelet. To begin, slide all your beads onto the yarn. You can use a small crochet hook or a needle that fits through the bead holes. For this bracelet, I'm using 12 beads because I have a pretty small wrist, but you can use more if you want to make a longer bracelet or if you want to turn it into a necklace. Once we have all our beads onto the yarn, we'll take the end and make a slip knot. Then bring one bead close to the slip knot, do yarn over and pull through the loop. Next, we're going to make chain 9, and this will be the tie for one side of your bracelet. To make the shell, the first shell of the bracelet, we're going to do chain 6. Then yarn over and work 5 half double crochets, not closed, into the next chain, so not the one you're working from. When you do these half double crochets, keep your loops on the looser side so it's easy for you to pull through them later. Then yarn over and pull through all of the loops. If you get stuck, just start over. Next, bring a bead up close to the shell, yarn over and pull through the loop. And that's your first shell. For the second shell, let's make chain 6 again. Then work 5 loose half double crochets not closed into the next chain. Once you complete the 5 double crochets not closed, we are going to turn the shell so that the bead is facing down, insert the hook into the shell space, yarn over and pull through, and then again yarn over and pull through all of the loops. So that's your second shell. And now we're going to slide another bead over and then yarn over and pull through. So now we have 2 shells. So you're going to continue this process, repeating chain 6, 5 half double crochets not closed into the chains. You turn the shell bead down, 1 chain into the bead space, and then bring the next bead, and you'll keep going like this until you have only 1 bead left. I'll speed up the video from here on. so you can continue building your bracelet at the same time as me. And I'll meet you at the end once you have only one bead left. So this is my last shell. I only have one bead left. So we're going to finish off this bracelet, the other side of it, by doing chain 9. So we can tie it to the other side of the bracelet. And once we make those 9 chains, slide the last bead over and the yarn over, pull through. And I would actually do one more chain here on this end to finish it off. The last thing you have left is to simply cut the ends and make them a little bit shorter. And now you have this pretty bracelet, Martenitsa bracelet, red and white. It is available in our online store. Have fun crocheting. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.